Hi everyone, Chendil here for Tech Pro Life. Today I'm going to show you very useful information in this video. Please don't skip it. Trust me, it's going to be very useful for you. Nowadays, people switching to a budget range or a high range of 4K TVs with HDR capabilities. They wish to watch 4K movies, but some of them don't know where to download 4K content or do not know about what their TVs are capable of. Let me tell you something about the tech market. Before 4 years back, 4K TVs were launched and promoted in our Indian market. About that time, 4K TVs are not that much famous or not that much affordable to purchase. But now, 8K TVs were launching by tech companies which are at a mind-blowing price. But now you can buy a 4K TV at a budget-friendly price. So that everyone who wants to buy a new TV, they can easily consider a 4K TV now. So coming to the topic, people want to watch high quality movie contents on their big 4K TVs or want to listen to some crystal clear music albums on their home theater setup. But some of them don't know where to download that kind of picture quality movie files or music files. Here is the thing, not all of us can afford movie streaming platforms or not ready to pay for watching quality movies as we wish. Both money and internet data are not always affordable by some people, right? Yes. So if you're a person who is searching for to download first class 4K HDR movies, high quality music albums and games for your PC or consoles in one place, then you are in the right place. This video is for you. So let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC or smartphone. In the search bar, type RARBG and search it. Click the first link and open it. Sometimes it will ask you to type some codes to open the web page. And then you can see the movie option on the left side. Click that. So as I said before, this is the place you can download everything you want. This is the filter section. Here you can choose as per your preference. Here not only movies but also TV episodes are available in 4K content, which is nothing but web series. And if you want to download high quality music, that is also available here. Here you can download movies with whatever codec you want. And for gamers, here you can download all PC and console games for your preference. But if you want to download only 4K HDR movies, click the 4K HDR box section and click search. You can also search by movie name also, and it will show you only the list of 4K HDR movies. Here you can see it is mentioned as 2160p, which is nothing but 4K. Above that you can see HDR has been mentioned, so this is a 4K HDR file. It will show the list as per your selected preference on the filter section. In the list, you can see the details about date added, file size, seedings and uploader name. And also you can click on those same headings to view list sorting by name, date or file size. For example, if I click on the added option, it will show me as per the order of the date the file's been uploaded. And if I choose the size option, it will show me as per the order of the uploaded file size, from maximum to minimum or minimum to maximum. Here is one cool thing is available. If I'm selecting one link, it will open the next page to download. On the same page, the downward section, it will show you the same movie which is available in all formats. This is very useful so that we don't want to search all the time for different formats of the movie. And also you can see full details about the selected movie like trailer, genre, ratings, etc. The movie can download through torrent only. So on the top in the torrent section, you can click and download the selected movie torrent. After that, you want to download the software called uTorrent to download the movie. For PC, the software will be downloaded on the uTorrent website, and for smartphones, it will be available on the Play Store itself. Once you click the downloaded torrent, it will automatically be opened by the uTorrent software and ask you where to download the movie on your device. You can select the folder on your device and click OK, and it will be downloaded automatically. And for games, it's the same procedure. You can click the filter option as per your preference on which platform you want to download the game, like PS4, Xbox or PC. You can search by game name also, but whenever you want to download a game, please go through the information given by the developer. And for music also, you can go through the same filter option to view your content in music, or you can search by music or album name. It is very recommend to use VPNs. Don't use to download these with your home IP address. Make sure you have the best VPN software to download safely. So that's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If that's true, please like the video and make sure you subscribe for this channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.